Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to change a dead key fob to your car. I have a C7 key fob here that you'll see. This key fob is dead. I'm going to push the buttons now to unlock the car, and you'll see nothing is happening. So this key fob is dead. The battery that's in here is dead. I'm going to show you how to change that. Let's get started with changing the battery in a C7 key fob. So I have the key fob here. I have the batteries. This key fob for the C7 takes the CR2032 batteries. They're made by Panasonic. You can buy some knockoff brands. These batteries typically last about 2 years in a key fob. So it's good to buy some extras, have them around. So to change the battery in the key fob, first you remove the key from the fob. So you push that button at the top, unlocks the key, and once you have the key removed, you then take the end of the key, the back side, okay, which is this side here, and you push it into the hole of the key fob. Till it's about halfway. You'll see it has spread the key fob, and then you use your fingers nice and carefully to start to remove the key fob separated in half. And you want to be cautious when you do this so you don't break anything. You have the rubber here, and this is the electronic board from the inside. I'm going to place that back in. To the back side, you'll see that that just slips right on in there. It's pretty simple. There are the 2, 4, 6 electrodes for the buttons, and it only fits in one way. You're going to need a flat screwdriver, and then you're just going to go in the corner here and you're just going to pop it out like that. Nice and easy. So you know, when you pop the battery out on the back side, it's going to have the reading of the type of battery. So when you take apart your key fob, you want to find out what battery is in there. Just remove it as I just showed you, and on the back of your battery it will state the numbers to replace your battery. Go on Amazon and you can buy them really cheap and have them delivered to your door. Take a new battery out. The letters and numbers, they go down. So the face up should be nothing on there, and you just snap it back in. Flip over your key fob. It only goes together one way, so you can't confuse putting it together. I like to align. Whoops. Put that back in there again. You want to make sure the board is properly in place where it belongs. You'll feel it won't move around. It will be snug in there. And then we're going to align the bottom part. You'll see the bottom part is just solid. As you see it there, I like to lock the bottom first and then work my way up. And to squeeze it closed. And as long as that board and battery are properly in there, you should have no issues. Okay, so you'll see when you finish, it's sealed all the way around. And then you can just slide your key back in to make sure it functions properly. If not, start over. You did something wrong. And that snaps right in. So let's go test it in the car now and see if it works properly. So I'm going to unlock. There we go. This key fob is working. I just hit the lock. That one works fine. Here's the second one I replaced. That one works great. I'm going to lock. I'm going to unlock it. Door opens just fine. And now I'm going to lock it. Perfect. Successful replacement of Corvette C7 key fobs. This year is 2016, but C7 is C7. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends. Hit the bell for new content so I can notify you when I put a new video out. Comment below. We read our comments. We will respond to you. And look forward to seeing you on my next video. Thanks for watching.